Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I use my multiple account to auto post on thread. So this is the tool that helping me to auto post on threads. So as you can see on the screen, this tool has many functions. So first of all, it's the account management. So in this function, you can add and manage unlimited Instagram account and thread account also. So next to auto post on threads, so first you need to prepare content. So I will go to content management to add a new content. So you can add to article here, and you can select the category, select platform, choose post type, and you can enter the post title and the content in here, and you also can upload your photo or video with your content. And after having the content like this, I will go to thread function, and in here you can choose many options like about portrait, auto comment on thread, or thread interaction, or sitting on thread. So I will choose portrait option. So first I will select the account that I want to go to auto post first. After that, I will set the basic configuration. So first is the breakable time between interaction. I will set up from 10 to 20 seconds. And next, I will select content. This content I already add in the content management. I press save. And because I just do one content, and I will need to allow to get content between action and account. After that, you can set out number of posts each account will post, and you can also choose option about pin post to top, or add the content after image, or schedule post, and you can choose the time that want to schedule, or you can choose interaction after posting. So after everything's up, I press start and let the software do the work. So here you can see in the screen, the software is running, and you can see the action is running on software, the result system diary. Okay, so basically I show you the tool that helping me to auto post on thread with my multiple account. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me by Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel to see more video about automation software.